Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor and a smile as bright as the morning sun, lived in a cozy castle nestled beside a sparkling river. One sunny afternoon, he heard a tiny sniffle. It came from behind a big green bush. Sir Reginald carefully peeked around the bush. There sat Sparky, a small, purple dragon with big, watery eyes. Little puffs of smoke came out of his nose with each shaky breath. "What's wrong, little friend?" asked Sir Reginald gently. "Ick," went Sparky, and with the hiccup, a tiny shimmering bubble floated out of his mouth. As it popped, it made a little ting sound. "Oh dear," Sparky whimpered. "My hiccups make musical bubbles, and I'm scared of them." Sir Reginald smiled kindly. "But Sparky, that's not scary at all. It sounds like music. Listen." Hic! Another tiny bubble floated up, this one making a soft lijon sound. "See," said Sir Reginald. "Each bubble plays a different note. Maybe we can make a song with your hiccups." Sparky looked up, his big eyes wide. "A song?" Sir Reginald clapped his hands together. "Yes, we can call it the Bubble Symphony." He started to hum a little tune. "Hic!" went Sparky, and a bubble with a high mee sound popped. "Perfect!" exclaimed Sir Reginald. They spent the rest of the afternoon together. Sir Reginald would hum, and Sparky would hiccup, making beautiful bubbly music that floated through the air. A fluffy bunny, with twitching pink nose and soft white fur, hopped over to listen. A family of ducks paddled closer on the sparkling river, their little ducklings cheeping along to the tune. Soon, Sparky wasn't scared of his hiccups anymore. He was excited. Each hic was a new note in their special song. When his hiccups finally went away, Sparky felt a little sad. Sir Reginald put a comforting hand on Sparky's shoulder. "Don't worry, little friend. Even when things seem strange, or a little scary, sometimes they can turn into something wonderful, if we look at them in a new way. And who knows," Sir Reginald winked, "maybe you'll get the musical hiccups again someday, and we can write a new bubble symphony." Sparky giggled, happy to have such a kind and clever friend.
Please subscribe. Thank you.